What's going on, guys? So out here with Julian.
Out here, the death machine.
Yeah, the Death Saturn. Thanks, Matt, for the Death Saturn. Look at this. We are currently sitting at 226,000 miles on the Saturn. I'm still super appreciative of it, though, because it gets me to A to B, and we're going to Robbie's. Yeah. So Julian's about to check out Robbie's shit. Yeah. And yeah, so here we go. Out here at Robbie's. They're working on a Beamer right now. Mark isn't happy. His shirt makes me happy, but what? So yeah, they're doing more fun stuff over here.
Gotta keep the spirits high, man.
Gotta keep the spirits high, man. Yeah, do Beamers do that for you?
When they're running right. Boy, when they're running right, man.
It feels like water. It doesn't feel like...
Uh-oh.
Water? I could believe that because the windshield was wet from earlier.
True.
Yeah.
When I came back, basically we moved some of the stuff. Me and Mark moved over there. They moved the bench that used to be right here over against the wall. So kind of opened up this area a little bit more for this chain hoist. So that's pretty sick. I'll help you. Remember, safety first.
Yeah, OSHA approved.
OSHA.
I got hit in my head, but my hand hurts the worst.
Oh, by the way, we just missed it. But Julian, being Julian, anywhere he goes, he's always smashing his head on something.
It sucks being tall, man.
I should probably put some clips in right here. Doom, doom, doom. Like, I should like make mashups of you just hitting your head everywhere.
I'm telling you,
but
bro, it really does
He
suck.
caught this bike. It's hanging out the ceiling, dude. That's how tall Julian is.
And the crazy shit,
And it came down.
the crazy is it couldn't have been the handlebars because literally, like, it would hit my face. I hit something literally on top of my head, so I have no idea what part of it was, but like froze and then shit just landed on me.
Out here at Taco Bell, about to do some test hits with this moff. So we're pumped. We're pumped. And these two are in cahoots right now. So little surprise. You guys will never know. Yeah, I got the fake Z. Look at guys. The real Z, the fake Z. Real Z, fake Z.
I got you.
Zoltan. All right, we're about to go hit it.
Oh, you crazy.
Mark gonna hit it? Yeah, Mark's gonna hit it. First, once more.
There goes the second gear burnout. Let's go, bull. Gotta get the fuck out of here. All right, so I think we got some news to tell you guys that we've been waiting. So ever since I met Julian's been helping me work on the Z. He's been in love with Z's. He went to...
I went from being about Honda and street racing and fucking straight lines for no reason to now trying to do this shit. To where literally, once we finished Jeremy's car, you remember 2 weeks later, I sold my Integra. It was pretty much complete as a show car. All I needed to do was get coils and it was literally gonna be winning shows. But I was like, yeah, I was done with that.
So he was done. So then he got his SC300, and fell in love with it, loves the car, runs great, uses it, dailies it, and drifts it, and then brings it back home.
Past a year and a half now?
Yeah, literally. Just literally swaps wheels.
All I did was do the precautionary, timing belt, water pump, valve cover gaskets, all the basic shit. And literally, she just purrs. There's no turbos. I don't have to worry about turbo problems. There's NA power. She just goes turnkey. Keep driving.
Literally, that's it. And then I met Robbie through Mark, and Robbie's been in the Z's. And between Robbie and Mark, I'm pretty sure Robbie's had way more Z's to deal with issues just in general. So
I've owned 6 myself.
He's owned 6. He's owned 6 Z's, so that's insane. But it's crazy because basically these guys are working out a deal, so Julian gets this. And Julia's been waiting. We've been going back and forth with trying to get Z's, a yellow Z that we saved, a silver Z. Dude, we've had so many chances to get Z's and we just couldn't grasp one. And now this is a possibility. So we're super pumped. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna try to get this up and running. So yeah, Robbie's gonna. That's what I'm saying. Exactly. So we're gonna work as a squad and get this thing up and running. What do we gotta do, Robbie?
We gotta throw the top end together and throw the crank pulley on. We gotta throw the timing covers on. Fan, the coolant crossovers.
And then the wiring harness.
Yeah. Basically putting the top. Oh, we gotta put the injectors on too.
Yeah.
There's no injectors. I got the
rail.
in the rail ready to go. So.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, boy.
Drift build.
Version
2, right? It'd be drift build version 2 because Robbie's done all his and we haven't been able to record what he's done on his car. But yeah, so technically drift build version 2 of actually building, but technically version 3 of coming from the junkyard Z. So
4 deep.
4 deep now. 4 Z's.
That fucking me looking like a fucking oddball in the lineup.
So what we're gonna do?
Real squad shit.
Is
we're coming 4 deep immediately, nigga. All stop.
We're gonna cap off the PCVs here. For the reason being.
Well, there's 4 separate PCVs on this motor, which I don't know why Nissan decided to put 2 of them on the same exhaust valve cover and none on the opposite valve cover. But you also have 1 off of each center. So we're going to cap the 2 off of this valve cover so that neither of the exhaust ones get ventilation, but both intakes are going to get ventilation.
What you doing, bro?
Well, I'm connecting the shifter to the A bracket on the bottom. I need both. I need to do both sides because the screw is spinning on each side. Oh no! I got bitch hands.
So Julian had a little joke
A couple minutes ago.
So how everybody's gonna have a Z now.
Yeah.
It's like, yo, we're all gonna be out there drifting. We need to go to the next event with Lambo doors.
We need Lambo doors. What do you mean, bro? We all need Lambo. You don't want your Lambo doors? I'll take them. I'll take them. Right, Mark? Lambo doors are nice.
Mark don't want Lambo doors.
See that? Shifter bushings?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Works. Hey, Robbie.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy.
$1.12 right there.
I know, with the $1.12 hookup from Robbie.
Yeah, hold up. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Lambo doors because roll cage.
Yeah, no, did it? Don't get me wrong. I love them. At first I did not like them. You guys know this, but when the cage gets in, I'm gonna be laughing at all you guys. I'm gonna be like, yo,
we
what
all
up?
gotta have cages to be able to tandem technically, so it's like
I'll be like, what up, guys?
Lambo doors. That's mad easy.
I get in nice and easy,
Yeah.
and what's up? I'm just saying, but whatever.
I'll be going in.
Injector's about to go in. Robbie just hit the O-rings in. That sit in the fuel line rail area thing. And then
Which I previously, I just showed them those.
you showed them these.
Yeah, I showed them.
You showed them about the plastics. How we got to make sure that we have.
I didn't go up close, but I
Yeah.
showed,
So basically, these plastics are pretty important. They go on both sides of the fuel rail.
and that one's
So
not there,
this
so we
one's
gotta
missing.
get
So
one.
we have to get a set of these. Robbie said he's got some laying around. So We're gonna get those in, and then basically these mops are gonna be put in this way, correct, Mark?
There's two important things for this seal. Number one, it's so that fuel doesn't leak externally. You don't want that at all. And number two, it's so that you also don't get an air leak internally, because this is your fuel injection port right here. And if these seals start getting cracked, they can start leaking air through that seal, and that's unmetered air, and your engine will actually run rich with working oxygen sensors. So,
What are you doing? Hey guys. So that's what we got done thus far.
You
Alternators on.
can't see all of it. You can only
Can't see all of it,
because
yeah.
They did a lot underneath. So.
Yeah. We did the drive shaft. He got the injectors in.
Timing
Belt
covers
cover.
on,
Yeah.
alternator, power steering pump. She's coming along.
Yeah, drive shaft, shifter brackets connected. Now we just got to connect the A bracket to the transmission. All right. Well. Later.